So, I've been looking for this helmet for like the last 10 to 11 months and I wasn't able to find it because it got discontinued. I have contacted more than 100 sellers on Instagram, and got scammed once for about 6,000 rupees and even talked with the manufacturer but no luck. Let's start unboxing. Please bear with me for poor recording as I have my phone in one hand. To save your time, I haven't shown the removing of the other packing in the video. This is the Axor Brute Helmet. To be honest, this is a little different from what I really wanted. I wanted the same one, but instead of the silver I wanted the yellow one. But I guess this is also good. I know this helmet is really hard to get, so I am okay with this one too. I have ordered the M size. When I contacted the seller, he said he had 2 pieces left. One was medium size and the other one was large. So, if you guys need the large size, then let me know, I'll share his contact. Not only that, he also has a wide range of helmets, so in case you are looking for something, just ask him once. Looks good and perfectly matching with my bike.